Hey, so I was going to do a video yesterday, but my tablet kind of lost its battery level, so I couldn't really do a video, but I'm like, I'm fully charged, I can record, so why not? So, yeah. So, I played Diablo 3 on PS3, which I'm very addicted to. I played the first one, beat it, almost got to the whole thing through it, almost expert, lost a disc, don't know what happened to it, got the Diablo 2 version for PC, but I don't really care for those type. So I got to level 20 in like 2 days. I'm at level 30 in 3 days. And I have a buddy that plays it with me now. He just got the same version I have, so I'm really happy about it. So yeah, still enjoying work. I don't know what else really to say. I'm really hot right now. I'm in my room. I feel like it's like 70 in here, 80 plus. Might hop in the pool. Yeah, I know it's like September, but pool's pool. Enjoy it while it lasts before winter hits. And then you don't have a pool to swim in. So yeah, what else? I don't know. Kind of figured to record. Oh, so, you know how I did in my last video, and I said how bad my phone is? Well, this is my phone right here. It is horrible. So, you know how I said the side button broke off? That's the side right up here. It broke off. It used to look like this one down here, the lower one, but now it doesn't. So it's not really technically waterproof. And I got the cover and casing for it, and the thing for the shield for here doesn't work. It has air bubbles, has all this other stuff, and I'm connected to Facebook 24/7, so it chews my battery up. I always fully charge it, always, and the next day, well, I'm sorry, it's gonna die. It's like half battery or less. What else? Going to camera mode, I have my options, I have all the other stuff. I'll go to camera mode right now. I just hate this phone. So I went to manual, and now I have to click camera or video. So I'll click video. At that time it's already too late. Camera mode. Camera mode only lasts about 5 to 10 seconds. So I'll hold it like this, because I'm not really recording. So that would be cool. So let's wait. Okay? See? Connected. Always. Good thing I wasn't recording. It's like, if I was recording, this thing would have been like, oh, let's switch over. Let's do blah, blah. So, I can't really see right now. And you probably can see my face and all that stuff. So now I'm just waiting for this to switch over again. Give it a few seconds. Can't change this, can't fix it, so just wait for it. it'll flip back over to main menu. And I hate that the most. Because what if you're waiting for the perfect moment, and then it's going to come, and then it's like, oh, let me just flip back over. So, it will. I'm not pressing any buttons at all. This kind of looks weird too because I'm recording. But you can only see partial of my face. So I'm going to go check out my friend after this switch is over. Let's give it some time. So it's been about a minute, almost. Well. Okay, it hasn't done it yet, but it usually goes. So, it usually lasts like 5-6 minutes. Not even. Maybe 2 minutes and it flips over. So, the little icon bubble for my buddy right here is annoying too because you have to throw it somewhere all the time. So, yeah. Oh, and this runs, if you look at the top right hand corner, it shows a bar. Not the best bar, but it shows it. It has to be connected to the internet at all times. If it's not, it's kind of like, oh, I can't make phone calls. It drops them automatically. So, it's just horrible phone. I really don't like my phone at all. Alright, I'm reading something real quick. Cool, my friend got a new job. Sweet, my friend's moving up. Kinda, not really, sort of. Talking to Gabby. He talks too much. Especially when I don't want to play video games with him. He'll call me, yeah dude, I'm doing this on Black Ops. Blah, 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 blah. Half an hour later, I'm like, dude, I'm playing my game right now. I'm not playing Black Ops, sorry. So, yeah. But, yeah, besides that, I'm kind of just relaxing in my room. So, yeah. Still eager to go back to Alaska. Gold mining? Yes. Not really gold mining. Just walk up, pick up a piece. Ooh, gold. That's what I really want to do. So, yeah. What else? Spoke to a girl that I had a crush on, off and on. Found out she's a lesbian, which, like 80+% of girls are all lesbians. So they're all about girl on girl on girl action. It's like, porno? Fine with it. Finding a girlfriend? Not so much. Not really heartbroken. Can't be heartbroken. Because if I was heartbroken, it would be like, oh my god. No, I've already been heartbroken. So, yeah. So, I was only heartbroken one time, and that was because, the girl I liked found another guy, dated, and my mouth was like, I'm like, whatever, now I don't care. So, I mellowed because, well, life's too short. You complain about it now. Oh well, you're gonna die sooner or later. You might live 10, 20, 50, 90 plus years, but I don't know when you're going to die. You can't complain about it. Because I could go to sleep right now and fall and die. Nothing no one can do about it. So yeah. So I'm not like 100% picky whatever right now. There is a girl that likes me and I'm fine with it. I'm not like, just like, cool, whatever. So my friend Twitchy, he's not the smartest bulb, let's put it that way. All secrets will be revealed once I get off this stepping stone onto another better stepping stone. I can reveal the secrets. But right now, I'm like a informant. Can't tell you anything that's going on. Oh, and if you're still watching this right now, I am recording for more than 20 minutes. So, yes. And I'm going to keep going until something really cool happens. Like my phone goes off and says, whoop whoop, or something like that. So, yeah. I've got many things to talk about. So, let's get down to it. Oh, this is going to be cool. So, you know, I told you I'm not about editing or anything like that. I'm totally not. I totally don't edit. I don't do anything like that. I got big. At first you thought, it's probably like, wait, better yet. There, I got big. I got big. So, went to Alaska, sifted dirt off the side of a road that was like clay, and this could have gold in it. Not a whole lot, but it could be worth something, could be worth nothing, could be, who knows. But all I know is I got a bag that has potential. And I got some rocks too that have some potential in it. If you break it down and do all the extra little work to it, I could probably sell that, but whatever. So yeah. Sorry, I'm listening to my parents talk about stuff right now. What else? So, here's something about me. I follow the hatchet, man. I always will, and always have. Even though I'm more twisted. I love my family. I'm sorry, I had to whisper. Wicked clown love. And that's my friend. See? Said whoop whoop. So, let's see what he says. Working tonight, probably won't be home until around midnight. Might be able to play a little tomorrow though, as we have the 6:15 and 7:15 softball game, so might get home around 9:30 or 10 tomorrow. Work Friday. Shoot. Tomorrow's Thursday. Okay. Sounds cool. See you then. Life's too short. So yeah. Let's see here. want to leave. Sorry, I really gotta go to the bathroom. Oh, here's something cool too. Came across this. I don't know if it's real or not. Looks like it could be real. Or it could be glass. Looks like diamond. But it doesn't have any shininess to it. So it might just be a piece of glass. But I'm keeping it because I found it. It looks cool. So what else? Yeah, I'm gonna run to the restroom, so I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back. Feel much better. Ooh. So, I said 20 plus minute video. So, I bought deck boxes. Bought 5 for $9. So I saved a lot of money. Because each one usually costs about $3 to $9. And this is the second time I bought them. Because I am a Magic card player. And if you ever want to see any of my decks, you gotta comment below. If you think I go too long on videos and I'm kind of annoying, you gotta say something. Because I don't know. I never know. People on Facebook doesn't say anything about it. They give me no suggestions, no comments, no likes, no dislikes. So I'm going to go for as long as I want. And this is like episode like 95, 96. I'm just going to call it like blah. I don't know what really to call it. So I know the name's going to be all about Rob, but it doesn't put them in order, doesn't do anything like that. So, and I did rip them in order, or try to, but YouTube doesn't like say, oh, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, 4, 5, whatever. They just say random. So I don't know how to put in like straight order 1 through 10 or 1 through 1,000 or whatever, but I'm going to keep doing videos because I like to. And if people check them out, cool. This way I'll know you check them out, whatever. But if you don't, oh well. So yeah, pretty much. Oh, I'm not one of those people who are like, do something crazy. Maybe. Catch me on a good day. I might bring this to a Twisted show. Click. Record. So there. If you want to hear the voices I can do, I can do quite a few, but you gotta ask me, and I will change my voice so easily. I do it because I can, not because I want to. Not really. I do it because I like to. I have a nose issue right now. Polyps. So yeah. What else do I want to say? Yeah, sure. Okay, so it's 19 minutes, right? And I'm still going because Facebook only lets you record for 19 minutes or less because they are, what's the word? Chauncey's. So yes, they are Chauncey's. They do not allow you to record for longer than 19 minutes. And pictures, they only allow a certain size now. I know it's always been that way, but that's how it is. What else? YouTube is racist. 100%. They allow black nudity, but not white. You cannot do any white nudity because they do not allow it. And I figured this one out because I watch a African American tribe, and they show full nudity almost, but not with the white person. So, racist. So yeah, I gotta grab my laptop out of the other room. You could do videos on there and stuff and send them over, but then my laptop overheats, battery drains, just a bunch of issues. Too much issues. So yeah, I know I keep looking that way. That's where my monitor is. And I want to make sure it's still like no one's doing something to it. I'm not like very picky or anal about it. It's just, well, I'm always worried. So yeah, I just clicked. What else? I know you should probably saying, yeah, you should stop it now. You've been over 20 minutes. I'm like, I really have. I know. But if I stop, then when do I record again? You're like, maybe anytime, maybe whenever you feel like. Maybe you can do it like in the next hour and a half, an hour and 2 hours and 5 hours and 6 hours or 12 hours or a day or 2 days or a week or 5 days or more or a month or whatever. But the other one I'm going to record 10 o'clock. I should go to bed at 11, but I usually go to bed at 12. It gives me only like 6 hours of sleep, but oh wait, 7 hours. I miscounted by a little bit. See, I don't edit. Oh, I can also do this too. I can close one eye and leave one eye open at all times. I'm just thinking about it. What up? So yeah. Too easy. I can also twitch one eye. Ooh, things you don't know about me. We're in that topic, okay. If you see what I see, you can say it in a message. See here, I'm looking for something. If you see what I'm trying to find, you can pronounce it. You say hand, you are wrong. Oh man, it doesn't show it. I gotta look again. Yeah, that's where it is. That second time. This is really hard to focus. Oh, it doesn't show it. That is funny. Huh. I swear it would show it. Give you a clue. It's somewhere in my hand. doesn't show it. It's like right in here. And there it is. Is it right there? Yeah, it's right there. Give you another clue. People love buying them for girlfriends. And you can go to Jared's. What else? Oh, here's something cool. I'm doing it with one hand though. Yeah, you get to look at my hand again. Come on, you go that way. It's harder doing it when I'm recording, so hold on. There we go. Every finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Except for a finger. Booyah. There we go. I'm gonna slide that finger back. And over. Oh, and back down. Hee. Popped it out. I can also make this go all the way back and touch the other part. So, oh, and I can also do that too. And I can also move my toe like this, in and out. It's easy. I'm double jointed, which I don't have anybody recording this for me, so I can't really do very much. Actually, I lie. I totally lied. My kickstand is on here. It's a pain in the butt to get off. There we go. PS3 controller, do your thing. Oh, I lied. I know I showed you this before. Just wanted to show you how I did it. This finger will go back too. Yes, you will. Thank you. Oh, yeah. It's the sand. So, if you can see clear, good. I just put it all the way back. It's touching. So, yeah. And this is almost a 30-minute video. I should about wrap it up. So my cousin poked me about almost 460 times in a row on Facebook. Kind of weird. But whatever, I'm not going to complain. Let's see here. Sorry, I'm on YouTube now. Hands-free. The way to be. Ooh, is that a new zombie game? And that just popped off. Show us side clip. I could do something with this. Oh, such a pain in the butt to close it. So I do also have a birthmark that you probably saw twice now, 4 times. So yeah, this video will probably take all day to record. There we go, pain in the butt. So, I watch Pranksters in Love on YouTube. A Bayesian Canadian. Really? Hey, wait, I'm Canadian too. Born in Winnipeg. I'm hopping my pool. So yeah, back to Facebook. Back over. So, yeah, I'm calling it quits now. This video is going to be up in a couple days. So, today's date is September 16th, 2015. 30 years. Thanks for listening to me gab. I'll talk to you later.